Now I want to start with Lolo. I want to start with Lolo. Lolo, you make a video for 2 times now or 3 times now mentioning my name. Mentioning my name. So I want to answer you now. Now the other day, because at the station your name was mentioned there too by your opponent. She mentioned your name there. Now on the other side now, you want to come out also, you Lolo, and said that you did not do anything to me, or you have not mentioned my name even before this period. No, you can't do it, and you can't say it, because on several occasions, you Lolo, you have been looking for my trouble. On several occasions, you have been looking for my trouble. God will punish you. You Joy, God will punish you. So, on several occasions, I don't just do things without I don't have proof. You carry my daughter picture. It is you people that say I don't have children. Sorry, this place, the echo, this place is echoing because where I am. You people said that I don't have children, that I have not given birth before, that I'm a barren woman, that I'm pregnant, I go to Jeremiah, I do this, I do that. It is your mouth that said it, right? But you, Lolo, I have not talked to you before. I have not come for you before. I don't know whether I did pain, Lolo. I don't know whether I did pain. I never talked to you before. I never come meet you before. You post my picking picture for your wall. I have the screenshot, the date and the time you post my daughter picture, and the day and time you write something against me and my daughter on your platform, on Lolo Talk Show platform. I have it. Not only that, it's on your file, because everyone that I have never ever talked to that post me on their wall or talk to me, even though anybody, I have the record. I'm keeping it. Yes, I'm keeping it. Yes, and you Lolo, you said that this one do this one, this one do this one. Okay, Lolo, no, I don't want to call those names that people are calling. No, I want to call her the name she know that she is her name. As a mother, you carry another person daughter picture, Lunonga, you carry another person daughter picture, post for your wall, write a dangerous words on it. It's not a diabolic thing. It's not problem. You feel you can do it and go free, right, Lolo? Because you are saying that who did not look for me, I should not look for the person. Lologa, did I look for you before you post my daughter picture on your page? Did I? No. You just want to make sure that you post something that concerns grace on your platform. And when you post my daughter picture, somebody that have not even come to where you are, didn't you see her skin? Did you see the type of hair she carried? Did you see the type of clothes she wear? So you think if you post my daughter picture now, Lolo don't post my picking picture, I would like it. No. Before you drop that post, when Mommy Love asks you to drop it, before you drop it, I have already made my move. And don't come for me. Yes, Lolonga, don't come for me, because I will not come for you. I will not talk to you. Yes, so only when I will talk to you is when you will prove the reason why you write those written on top of my daughter's picture and post it on your wall. Okay? You will tell me when the time come. Because you say, who did not look for you, that they should not look for that person, right? So you will tell me when the time come. I don't have any problem with you. Stay your lane, I will stay my lane. That is one. Second issue I'm going to address here. There is no one of you that have posted my picture, give me name. You said I'm prophetess Disgrace. Disgrace is sweet now. Disgrace na still better name now. Na better name, so na go answer am. So you post me, you post my children picture, you call me all names because my children are not social. Me, I'm not bringing them to social media. You will not force me to bring them. If not for you people that went and bring that picture, and I know who sent that picture to the person that posted it. I know I could have still be bearing barren woman. Up till now. So you can go ahead. You can go ahead and be posting my daughter picture, post my picture, post anything concern me. It does not really have anything to do with me. You know why? No, it does not count. Because I will not answer you, I will not talk to you. But wetin you do person, if person do, you no let am pain you. Wetin you do person, if person do, you no let am pain you. Yes. You think you are in abroad, you can be insulting everybody, doing anything you like with anybody, nobody will answer you. Hi, we answer whosoever that use my name. Okay? Because if you people have issues with mommy love, you should face mommy love. You should face mommy love. Okay? You should face mommy love. Don't add me to it. Yes. And if you people have issues with mommy love, face her, don't face the children. You understand? Now, the third thing I want to enter. You said that you have not talked to me before. Then I talked to you. I have the video where you talked to me. It was caught. My medias are everywhere. Before you could delete everything, anything, we've gotten it already. Yes. Let me tell you, if I have your mother picture or your father picture, any picture that you people are talking about on my phone, or if I have it, it could have been more better safe. Because you do me, I do you in all the pain, but I don't have it. I have not even seen it. That is number one. Number two, that I want to say is mommy love. Before I go to mommy love own is that every one of you owning your live video to insult me. Do you people think I'm like those people that you are following when they will, after collecting your money, they will lie for you? I'm not like them. I don't just say, I don't lie. I say it the way it is. Yes, I say it the way it is. You people that is saying that I arrested somebody, the person did not arrest me, the person did not talk to me, but the same person arrest. The worst thing that is on this thing that you people are not even saying the truth, the worst thing, the same person arrest somebody, brother, father, and say that you people are seeing. You people should beware of me. I have not come for you before. No. No place you will on your live video and see where I am talking to you people. No. And again, another lie that you and your gang is lying. That my name that I put in police station. My name that I put in police station that you put on your wall. You are a bunky and rejected liar. Okay, you people did not see the pictures, right? Okay. Because they say I take picture. Me, I don't know where my phone not fit contain those kind of things. So when time come, the person that send the picture and how I give the person picture, it will come out in court. It will come out in court. Number one. Number two, you said it's my name that I write. Remember your video, you say it's the information I write in police station that you get my real name, and that is Kwankwaroka lies. Police will never give you any information that happened in the station. They will never release it to you. Police will never release any information that a person put down in the station. They will never give it to individual because you are a bloody civilian. I am a bloody civilian. Say they will not give it to you. They will not give it to me. One. Two. There is no Aida say faith uremu on whatever I write on the station. I told you, if you want to get information, I told you, calm down. Let me know. I will give you any information you need. I also said the same thing to your mother, that I should tell you with what the way you are going. You are condemning people's name, insulting people's father, mother on Facebook, but you don't want your own to be insulted. I told her to tell you to calm down. Whatever you need, whatever information you need, you will get it. If it is good information, you will get it. Bad information, you will get it. Okay? That is number one. Number two, you say you write me on the 9th of December. You said you write me on the 9th of December. What is my business with your business that will make you to write me? Me that is not good. Me that is disgraced. Why must you write me? No. You didn't even write me because I have checked. I didn't see it. Or you can send I again. When you say I there again, I will enter. When I see it, I will still bring it up and say I've seen it. Because thousands of people are writing that I don't even answer. Thank God that it is not more than this. Okay, this one said Odion Lovett is the reason people are after you and insulting you every time. If only you can just, I love to read this comment. If only you can just concentrate on your work and stay from live video presenters, it will be better for you. I don't have presenters as friends, but I have presenters as mates. We marry from the same language. I have presenters are human beings. Presenters are honorables, good human beings. So you cannot tell me to stay away from human beings. It's not done. And I'm also here to thank all the Asian people, all the Asian people that called me. Yes, because I am doing nothing but fighting for my rights. Beverly, please send me the church account. Okay, maybe it's past 1. Today date is 10 though. Send me my other account. I want to thank all the Asian people that called me. I'm fighting for my rights. My fight is this. Let me give her voice record. My fight is this. Don't put my name in anything you are doing. Don't call me an abomination name. Those names that you are on your Facebook to call me. Hello, I better send me the Church Stanbic account or Unity, anyone. Send it to me for here now. Okay? Those abomination names that I was married or where I'm married into, all those things are abominations. Yes, they are abomination. Big, yes. Sorry, guys. Calls are coming in. Calls are coming in. So I'm sorry. All those things are big abomination. Big abomination. Okay? We are married. We are therefore pay my dowry, pay money for my head. If woman go commit adulterers, now the woman they die. Not if they do the man, now the woman they die. No matter how, if you go commit them, say you they pretend. Now you will sick, now you will die. Now so where be? Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. You cannot just on your live video and be calling me an abomination names. And then you go scot-free. You will prove it. You will insult me. You will insult my children. You will go free. But calling me name, this is my marriage, not your marriage. You don't know how long I'm in my marriage. If it is 2 months, you don't know. And the only person that have right to call me names, beat me, insult me, push me, shit on me, is my husband and his family. My husband and his family are the only one who have the right to insult or do anything to me. Not you outside there, calling me a married woman, different name. I cannot measure it anymore because it's an abomination name. But today, every one of you who call me names that is not mine, who come after me that I did not come after, God that I serve will visit you all. Somebody go and share this thing to Mommy Love. Share this broadcast to her because I'm coming for her now. I'm coming for her now. Everybody who is calling me names that is not mine, forget about it. My God will go after your lives. And you know it is sweet to call somebody who is in her husband's house such name, right? If at all you are in your husband's house, the name that you will be giving, they will give you, will be more dangerous. The hardship that you will face will be more dangerous. Point 3. If your children get married, whatever you have done to me and my children today on this Facebook, because I've not done anything to you, your children will reap it. And you will reap it. Point 3. You that is calling me names on your platforms. Yes. Because today will be the last day I will talk that issue until we meet in court. Because I'm waiting for the court order. Today will be the last day I will talk on this issue again. You that is owning your live video to call me names, prepare for the worst that is coming for you. Whoever you be, I don't know. Your color, I don't know. Your voice, I don't know, because I have not talked to you. Before you stand on your videos, talking to me, insulting me and my family. Point 1. Okay? And the least, but not the last. Some of you that is coming to my inbox, writing me that a certain rejected Angolazin is coming for me. Tell her to come, oh. Because she insulted me for 2 years. I did not answer her. I did only one thing to her. If I want to go after her again, I will not go and report. No. The first time I traveled there to report her to her father, right? I will not report again. She has also made a video to threaten that she's coming after my mother-in-law. Try am, oh. Try am, because when you try am, you go kwandoska. 1, I still have a mother. My mother and her sister, they are twins. We have Sophia, we have Felicia, we have so many of them. So, if you want to know my mother, I post her yesterday, is her birthday. Pick a picture from there. If you want her number, I will post it to the public. You want her address, also write me. I will post it to the public. Okay, let me answer every one of you. Oh yeah, go ahead and share it. Yeah, so if you want this information, just call me, I will give you. Okay, just call me, I will give you. You want my mother picture, is on my Facebook. I post it. She's on my Facebook. I post it years back. I post it again. I post yesterday. I'm posting. That is 1. Okay. So now I am here now for Mommy Love. Mommy Love, I don't know what I have done to deserve this. No. Help me share it. Help me share it. None of my children should answer anybody. Let them be insulting, let them be doing anything, let them on their platform be insulting. They are keeping record and keeping record. That is it. You are keeping record and keeping record. Even the lawyer or judge, when you want judge our matter, he go tire when he don't see evidence, he go tire him. Evidence, he go just the matter go tire him to judge. So that will not be issue. Now, for Mommy Love, and again, you that is putting red hair, thank you. Because red hair, they can't. You don't know. If they can't for me, red hair, they can't. The angry face, one at the puso, now they can't pass. Thank you for putting the angry face. Thank you. So help me call Mommy Love. For me, who is this one writing you want to prank who? Who get time? What did they call prank safe? Think concern me concern prank. I get to my time. So help me, somebody should call her because I want to start now. I don't know what I have done. I don't know. I don't know what I have done. Because somebody comes out and said that I should, until I come to public to renounce Mommy Love, that she will not leave me alone. So that is why I'm here. If he Oku carry your insignificant tontualistic goal, if you are bored of yourself, come out with your real account now. Why are you using fake account? Come out with real account. live on direct come out with live real account igbe te ma puwo igbe if not be Facebook grant to grant na Facebook they give una rights. So many of you are writing that it's because of mommy love they are insulting me. It's because of in the court of law. Do I deserve that insult? That because you have issues with mommy love, you should insult me? No, I don't deserve that. Because I have issues with the mommy love, I'll be insulting you. Or insulting your children. No. It's not done. At all. Mommy love. If I talk to you, you know they take my word. If I talk to you, you know go hear me. You want day your mind, do you want do? Now you they do. You want day your mind, do you want do? Now you they do. So now I go be today. Hello? Yes. Afternoon. Hello. Social media, public. That question, I'm expecting that people will even ask her that question that you just said. Only one person, 100 people on Facebook are against you, only you. I am not. No problem. I want it to be like that. Na so. Okay, I will add you on WhatsApp now. Okay. 8 people, yes. 8 people now in one carry go court. 8 people. Yes. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for calling. God bless you. Thank you very much. I will save the number. Thank you. So, like what I'm saying, I'm talking to mommy love now. I'm still going around. Call her, please. Thank you, Thank you. Who is writing this one? Una can't talk to now. So, like what I'm saying is this. Court is for everybody. Right? It's just for you to tell your lawyer to prepare your petition. Hey, my husband, God bless you. God has done it. And then, you know, say, the day when I go police, I not carry lawyer go because I not follow anybody get. Now find me. I not be troublemaker when they carry lawyer, they waka. I not carry lawyer, and I not won't carry. So me una carry. When I carry for the 7 people. Shebi na 8 people now you dey carry dey go court. Only me go stand for the 7 people. And all of them, all proofs go report. And they wait till they cost me, they on your live video, maybe they cost me, you go must do am. Under must, you go must on your live video, put my name there, grace or disgrace. Put disgrace there, you go must cost me. Because the court, everybody now get court. So I no wan go there safe. That matter, I no wan talk put. Wetin carry me come here now na mommy love. I don tell you now, thanks to everyone, all the Asian women that call me, God bless you, I appreciate. And also thanks to everyone that stand by me. My mother-in-law, Mommy Beatrice, thank you. My mates, Big Ma wife, thank you. You and your group, thank you. You and your followers, thank you all. And thanks to all the Asian husbands that called me, both men and women. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being there for me. Because if I did not stand for my right today, when will I stand for my right? Now, I want to come into mommy love issue now because I'm closing now. Mommy love that you are seeing, one another they answer all this kwankwadoska, una leave them. Mommy love that you are seeing, mommy love, she's my blood. The way you cannot separate water from blood, that is how you cannot separate. You understand what they call blood. But when your blood is doing things that you don't want to stop, you take some actions. That's the actions I'm about to take now. That's the action I'm about to take now. And some of you don't really know her. Some of you don't really know her. Some of you, sorry, you know I don't like my husband showing. So, some of you don't really know her. I know her better off. I know her because she's my blood. You don't know her. You don't know her character. It's what you are seeing on Facebook you are judging. You don't know the life after Facebook.